Welcome once again, and let's talk about Terra Classic Coin. Kucoin are supporting Terra Classic network upgrade. It's a good one to see Kucoin supporting Terra Classic. They have been supporting Terra Classic since last year, and I believe with their support, of course, we believe Terra Classic is definitely going to gain a lot. But one thing you need to understand is that Kucoin, yet they are supporting Terra Classic, but they are not burning Terra Classic coin. They are yet to burn their own Terra Classic coin. Now, so many communities have been asking Kucoin to at least burn their own Terra Classic. Binance have been burning. Binance have also, in fact, they are only one of the top crypto exchanges that support this coin and also burn Terra Classic. So, though Kucoin are now supporting the network upgrade, and I believe this year, before May this year, Kucoin might be burning Terra Classic. And when Kucoin decides to burn Terra Classic, Kucoin will be burning millions or billions of Terra Classic coin, because they have not really burned. And remember, they have also accepted a 1.2% tax bond. So people want them to burn, people want them, all the charges they have accumulated, they need Kucoin to actually burn this. They need Kucoin to support Terra Classic by burning. We want to see other top exchanges keep burning their Terra Classic coin. I mean, what they actually charge for the 1.2% tax bond. Binance have been burning, Binance have been supporting this coin. Binance have shown a lot of examples that look, they are here for Terra Classic, they're here to support Terra Classic, and they wish other exchanges will also follow their footsteps by burning Terra Classic coin. And I hope to see Terra Classic keep gaining a lot of support from different crypto exchanges and crypto industries. Let's hope that before the end of 2025, Terra Classic might be hitting at least $1. Hitting $1 now definitely means a lot of people will be making millions with Terra Classic coin. Right now, Terra Classic is still trading with about 3 zeros. So imagine hitting $1. So that is a lot of profit to me. But of course, 1 penny, 1 cent is still a good one, because that is about 10,000%. And I hope to see Terra Classic hit a massive increase in price before the end of the year. Remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.